Have you ever wondered how a flat image could be transformed into a three-dimensional spectacle, seemingly springing to life from thin air? The answer lies in the science of holography, a fascinating field that is as much an art as it is a technical marvel. In the late 1940s, a Hungarian-British physicist named Denis Gabor stumbled upon an extraordinary concept. He discovered a way to capture light patterns from an object or scene and reproduce them using laser beams. This invention, which he named holography, would go on to revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with imagery. In essence, the process of creating a hologram is a dance of light. A laser is used to split light into two beams, the object beam and the reference beam. The object beam is directed onto the object being recorded, reflecting off its surface. The reference beam, on the other hand, is bounced off a mirror. Their paths converge on a photosensitive surface, creating an intricate interference pattern that is then captured as a recording. Viewing a hologram is an experience in itself. The recorded interference pattern is illuminated by a laser, and as the light diffracts off the pattern, it recreates the three-dimensional image. As you shift your perspective or move around, the hologram morphs and changes, just like a real object would. This creates a sense of depth and dimension that is nothing short of magical. The applications of holography are as varied as they are numerous. They have been used to create captivating works of art, providing an immersive experience that traditional two-dimensional mediums simply cannot match. They have found their way into the realm of scientific research, helping visualize complex data in a more tangible way. In the world of security, holograms have become an invaluable tool. They are used as security features on credit cards and product packaging, their unique characteristics making them difficult to replicate, and thus providing a deterrent against fraud. The field of medicine has also benefited from holography. Medical imaging, for instance, has been revolutionized by the ability to visualize organs and tissues in 3 dimensions, aiding in diagnostics and surgical planning. More recently, the entertainment industry has embraced holography, using it to create lifelike performances and virtual reality experiences. This has led to the development of augmented reality, where holographic images are superimposed onto our real-world environment, blurring the lines between what is real and what is not. So, to recap, holography, invented by Denis Gabor in the 1940s, is a technique that uses lasers to record and reproduce light patterns, creating 3-dimensional images. These holograms provide a sense of depth and dimension, and have a wide range of applications, from art and science to security and entertainment. As technology continues to advance, there's no telling where the future of holography will take us. One thing is certain, however, the possibilities are virtually limitless.